So I just got my hair done. We went the whole 9 yards from beginning to end and kind of showed you what was happening, and it's incredible. It's literally one of the first things I thought about was, as opposed to everything I'd done in the past, is that it's actually comfortable. After a few seconds of having it on my head, I didn't even think about it. As Storm was cutting my hair, I felt like I was, 16 years old getting my hair cut again at the regular barbershop. It was wild. I can rub my hands through my hair. I can actually, you can't even feel where the base starts and my skin starts. It's unbelievable. It's better than my hair was before I started losing it even. I never had nice, thick, luscious hair. My hair was always kind of spriggly and thin even before I lost it. So I'm able to have a look that I couldn't achieve even before I experienced hair loss, which is unbelievably cool. I'm elated and I can't wait to see what people start to think.